So right now we are at the starting point of the Tatsang Monastery trek, or also known as the Tiger Nest trek. The trek is about 18 kilometers in distance, and you can get horses in here as well, or you can walk. So we have just taken these sticks to help us climb the mountain. And the Tiger Nest Monastery is perched at the edge of a cliff, and I don't know how they built it there. Its age is old. So I'll be showing you my trek, and we are going to start it. We are here, and the monastery is right there. That white dot on the hill. This is the monastery. We have to reach that place.
हम बहुत चौधरी बन रहे थे और पानी की आवाज़ फॉलो करते करते इस वाटरफॉल तक पहुँचे हैं एंड आई थिंक वी लॉस्ट आवर वे बिकॉज इसके आगे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा बट ठीक है वील क्लिक सम पिक्चर्स द साइट इज़ अमेजिंग एंड देन वील फाइंड द राइट पाथ अगेन
Today is 26th January and it is our Republic Day in India, and today we are doing the Tiger Nest trek also. So from all of us, a very happy Republic Day to everyone.
Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad. Chalo.
We have reached the viewpoint of Tiger Nest Monastery. We can see it here, right in front of us, and the view is spectacular.
This trek has a lot of small shortcuts, but you have to look closely because they are hidden behind bushes and you have to look for them because they save you a lot of time.
Never let go. Ooh, we never let go.
We have reached halfway to the cafeteria, and we have another half to go. And the food here is extremely expensive. I mean, just for a cup of coffee and 4 biscuits, it's 120 rupees. And there isn't anything available except that. And yeah, there's a buffet lunch also. That is for 475. Loot, really.
After the coffee and biscuits, we are back on track and the climb has become steeper, but we are trying to keep our pace as fast as possible because we have to reach there. The trek is very tiring for me, but this view makes the whole tiring journey very, very worth it. I love the whole view from this point.
We started our trek from that place, the brown patch. This place, we started from here, and now we are here. We did a very stupid thing today. We didn't have our breakfast because we thought that maybe we would find something to eat in here, but except one cafeteria, nothing is available. So if you come here, do bring snacks and food items with yourself because there isn't anything available.
This is the last stretch of the trek and there are 700 steps that we have to first descend and then we have to ascend to reach the monastery. I can do even that. I want to reach that place. It's so amazing.
बेटे मार के बनना एक दिल भी नाटे जाओ जी भी पाटे
The last point till we can use the camera, and we have reached the monastery. It took us 4.5 hours to reach here, but you can complete it in lesser time because we were stopping for taking lots of photographs. But it's okay, we enjoyed the trail a lot. We have accomplished the Tiger Nest Monastery trek, and in memory of that and our friendship since I don't remember how many years, I was 2009. 7 years of friendship, and in memory of that, we are tying this prayer flag here.
Figure this out. Put your feet down.
बनाया था और कैसे बनाया था?
एंटागनिस्ट गोकू ने बनाया।
और वो बुद्धा की स्टैचू भी गोकू ने ऊपर तक पहुंचाई थी।
वेजिटा आया था रोक में, लेकिन गोकू जीत गया था। और ये एंटागनिस्ट उसकी उस पे बना।
इधर अभी भी
अभी इस अंदर उसकी लाश पड़ी है, जिस पे वो करते हैं पूजा। पिकलो की वहाँ ऊपर है वो।
कहाँ ऊपर?
गोकू ने।
अच्छा,
अभी भी लड़ाई चल रही होगी उधर। वो गोहान वो कर रहे थे ट्रेनिंग उधर।
वो जहाँ झंडे हैं?
हाँ।
अच्छा।
तेरे को भी सब पता है।
So our journey was still here only. Tata bye bye. बाद में मिलेंगे.